You motherfucking bitches. Welcome once again to the motherfucking Daily Dump, you bitch. Today, we're learning motherfucking prefixual kanji, which is not a prefix as in like the prefixture, which is what in English the states of Japan are known as. They're fucking known as prefectures for some fucking reason. No, not that prefixual, no. The prefix is in part of a word which comes at the first motherfucking part of the word. For example, pre is a prefix for many words. Like preview, for example. To view before. You bitch. If you don't know how to speak English, it should help you on your way to learning this motherfucking kanji. So here's what you need to do. It's pretty fucking simple. You draw this motherfucking line like this. 1 and then 2. And then you draw a third line going off like this. And then you draw something which looks quite similar to Hito here. It looks like a bunch of jumbled up mess, if you ask me. And it's very much resembling the look of the kanji for heart, which is kokoro. But it is not, make no mistake, when you see this motherfucking thing with the Hito looking thing and the fucking re looking thing and this fucking line on there, it is not your heart. It is eat. It is pronounced eat, as in like ijo. Ijo basically means fucking more than the thing that was mentioned prior to this motherfucking thing. Does that make a lot of sense to you? It should make a fucking whole hell of a lot of sense. At least. Actually, this is better fucking described as at least if you got ijo. You've got obviously jo on the motherfucking end looking like this. So, when you have this motherfucking thing on your motherfucking ass, you know that it's gonna be at least, and this comes at the end of whatever the fuck is as least as. So for a fucking example of usage of this strange word, we have no further to look than the previous kanji that I just fucking taught you. You've got one of the first ones, you know, ni. It could be san or yon or whatever the fuck you want. I don't give a shit. And then you gotta use jikan, so you know you've got your son and your motherfucking Jesus shit and your fucking spurting dude on the motherfucking ass of this shit. That is G. Then you've got fucking Kong on your ass, which is this shit. So that's 2 hours, and then you put right here, ijo, and you know that it's at least 2 hours. Probably gonna take more. Just about how much time it takes to get your motherfucking alien registration taken care of in this motherfucking country is Nijikan ijo. Actually, it's more like Yonjikan ijo sometimes. Motherfucking bitches. But anyway, that's what you get for being an alien. You alien bitch. Anyway, that's eat. Other fucking uses can actually mean less than, so be careful with this shit. This is a prefixual fucking power of creating more or less of something in Japanese, so be fucking careful with that shit. As you can see, the motherfucking example that I'm about to fucking give you. So as you see, you change this to ka instead of jo, you will get the result of less than, not at least, but less than. So, same thing applies with the fucking jikan, but it'd be ika, and it's not fucking squid. Thus, the motherfucking squiggly lines help you determine that it's not a fucking seaborne organism. You motherfucking bitch. If you think this is too complicated, you need to just sit down and fucking think about it. It's two things you gotta remember. It's jo and ka. It's not fucking hard. And they are not even kanji. And you have to remember this motherfucking mess. And then you're done. That's it. That's all you gotta know. You gotta know that jo is more or at least, and ka is gonna be less than. You motherfucking bitch.